Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to shorten the delivery time in the order machine in Heartopia. So first once you reach level 35, you will unlock the order machine just like this. And to place an order, you need order tickets, which you can get from the Gacha egg, like this, just like this. And the Gacha eggs, you can get it from the daily quest rewards. This gacha egg, surprise gacha. You can get the order ticket from this surprise gacha. And then normally delivery takes 7 days, which is pretty long. But don't worry, there's a faster way. You can just reduce the delivery time by using a stamp order ticket. It looks like this. This one. This one, it already has a DG member support like this. And here's how it works. Just take your order ticket and then ask for different players to give it a stamp. And this can be your friends or even random players in the server. And if you don't know how to request stamp, just check the tutorial link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial to get this stamp. That's all for stamps like mine, like this, like my order ticket. Just place your order like usual. Just choose the items that you want to order. For example, in here I want to choose this one, and then after that just simply tap on the stamp order ticket, this one, and then just tap on confirm. And just like that, the delivery time will be reduced from 7 days to only 3 days. This one, you can see it over here. It's only 3 days long like this. And okay, that's it. We face the rights. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.